Hello, hello. How is everyone doing today? I am going to go through how to set up a key for SSH. Sorry, I'm thinking while I do this. Um, I did it once before, and I don't remember how to do it, so we're kind of going to stumble through this. Let's see here. We need to do a key, so let's go to maybe I know. That's probably not it. It's probably settings, maybe. Yeah, let's do that. Reset SSH settings, maybe. Here's SSH. Oh, there we go. So let's delete this. Yeah, I did before. Okay, add a key. Copy your how to generate key. Okay, so we open a terminal. So you have this instruction right here. So let's go and do that. So open a terminal. And I'm going to make a directory here. Let's make directory. Okay. A little project folder on my desktop. Move that aside for a second. Okay, so we have to copy this to the terminal and use your actual email. So we'll do that. We'll go put this here. We'll paste. Just add our email right here. max@aiwithapex.com. Okay. Hit enter. We're just going to hit enter. It's going to auto generate this right here. So we'll go ahead and just do that. It's fine. Create directory, passphrase. You could put a password here. I'm just going to leave it empty for now for easy use, but you should put a password there. Okay. So we're going to just grab this information here. We don't need this. I don't know if we actually need that, but I'm going to throw it in here. I also prepared some API keys for us for a later event. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab that. And then let's go ahead and find that. Oh, went to users, I see. Okay. Yeah, okay, so let's change directory. Users, Apex W. Okay. That didn't go where I wanted to, so whatever. And we need this. Okay, so let's just go ahead and find that on our desktop real quick. It'll be easier to open it with a notepad than in the remote. Okay, so I'm going to my computer, going to users, go to Apex, and .ssh. So I'm doing that in another window, and I'll show you right now. So here we are. That's exactly where we are right there. Now, .pub is actually an app, so we don't want to do that. We want to open it with just like Notepad should work, I think. Open with Notepad should do the trick. Okay, perfect. That's one line right there. So we're just going to grab the whole thing. By the way, you would not share this. This would give you root access to your server. So be very careful of this information. I'm going to have to delete this key after this video. Hopefully I remember that before everybody hacks my little server here. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead to the spreadsheet. We'll just throw that over here. I'll put it right here, I guess. So that's our key right there. Great. Yeah. We're going to paste it here. Give it a name. I'll just call it we'll just call it the max root. Okay, and then we'll click save. It'll take a minute to process. Boom, and now we should be able to access our server now. Let's try it out. I'm sorry, SSH root at, we need my IP address. Yes, we want to connect. There you go. Here we are. That's a spoiler right there, what we're working on though. This is our server right here. your Coolify server in root access. Be very careful. This is root access of your server, so you could destroy your server very easily. Oh, before you do any editing, experimenting, even if you're, I suggest this even if you're an expert, go to backup. Just do your quick snapshot. The snapshots are temporary, by the way. Just click create snapshot before you start editing stuff, especially in root. And that concludes this video. That's how you get root access. Oh, maybe we'll stop it there.